Hey, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, and I wanted to show you just a really quick postural reset that you can do throughout the day, all day, every day, provided you have your doctor's approval. It's just, it's a way to kind of fix this forward flexed, head out in front of us position. Okay? So first thing is to assess your position. Grab a wall, and we're just going to put ourselves against the wall. One heel, the other heel, one butt cheek, the other butt cheek, one shoulder blade, then the other shoulder blade. Now you can see that I've got about 2 fingers away from the back of my head. So that's the assessment. I've got a little bit of anterior head carriage. So now I'm going to step away from the wall, and I'm going to do the reset. So the reset is easy. We just step away from the wall a little bit, straighten your arms completely, puff your chest out, and start to look up toward the ceiling. You're trying to put your face on the roof. Keep your arms straight, puff your chest out. You'll feel a stretch here. You'll feel a stretch here. Go for about 30 seconds. Gently come out of it. I may or may not have gone for 30 seconds, but you'll see, hopefully, that I fixed myself right up. And then we assess again. Heels, heel, one cheek, another cheek, shoulder blade, shoulder blade. And you see how my head just kind of easily gets to the wall. Zero effort. If you do that pretty much every time you get up from using your laptop or every time you get up from using your phone or your tablet, it should help correct your posture. Give that a try.